Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we'll show you how to stop WhatsApp from automatically saving media to your phone. This is a common issue many of us face, especially when our phone storage starts to fill up with unwanted photos and videos. So, let's dive right in and see how you can take control of your WhatsApp media settings. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is Chats. Tap on this and you'll be taken to a page where you can adjust settings related to your conversations. Now scroll down to the bottom of the Chat Settings page. Here, you'll find an option called Media Visibility. This setting is what controls whether WhatsApp saves media to your phone's gallery. By default, it's turned on, which means any photos or videos you receive are automatically saved. To stop this from happening, simply toggle off Media Visibility. Turning off media visibility means that while you can still view media within WhatsApp, it won't be saved to your phone's gallery. This is a great way to keep your storage organized and prevent clutter from building up. Plus, if you ever change your mind, you can easily turn media visibility back on. It's worth noting that this change won't affect any previous settings you've made for specific chats or groups. So, if you've already customized media saving for certain conversations, those settings will remain unchanged. By following these simple steps, you can regain control over how WhatsApp handles media on your device. Whether you're looking to free up space or just prefer a more organized gallery, this tip is sure to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find this tutorial helpful.